Hello guys, so today guys I am playing Roblox because I am busy right now in Eaglecraft. You see in my videos, so we're gonna play boxing beta to support the games because the game is getting low viewers now. I'm a mute. Cannot find any people, so I'm going in another server because there's no people. Oh, maybe the boxing beta is getting older. Maybe it's getting abandoning. Wait, what? Oh, I thought it was not pay. I don't want to pay some Robux for joining some peoples. Because I don't like people's like flamingo. Oh, that's just joking. I just my that's my favorite idol, flamingo. I'm going into the 180. Oh, I mean this superhero tycoon. I joined this before, but my old account has so many memories in there. So, I could do this. What is this? I know that. I know that. Oh, I could shift lock. What? I have a shift lock keyboard. I mean, no. Oh, like, so many money. You finished the tutorial. Enjoy. Where's my money? Oh, looks like it's literally quiet now because it's so much kids in here before, and I could be excited for those kids. It's just like me. Please don't judge me because I don't because because I'm poor at this Roblox game, and because my old Roblox game is good old tycoon, but this is my Roblox player, right? This is Easy E. Roblox. And my old account has so many he he memories in there, and it's so big. I played that before. Or, I can see my money in there. Right? I am rich now. Do like every kid's not play this game anymore. Only YouTubers. Just look. It's literally abandoning out now because no updates or something. I just wanted an permanence. And there's so many bugs and so many little bit hackers. Just like the classics. Oh, here. If we finish this, the video ends. And so we're in 4 minutes right now, broski. And let's go. We got so many money. We can afford this. Wait, what? Security door? I don't have any money. Oh my god. Okay. No, I don't have any money. What is this for? Is this for money or it's just a display? Oh, it's for money. It can increase this shop. Let's go. Security door. I can do this. I can spam W and S. Ha. Oh. Black pot na. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Now we have this, okay? Okay. Oh, there's more. There's so many money. You got afford. Oh, what is this? Can I try it? It's just a ball. He's not protecting me. Stop the paparazzi. I'm not even that famous. I only got 3 subscribers. Stop following me. I'm not that famous, broski. Hey, stop. It's kinda annoying if you do this. Let's go. That paparazzi guy is now over. If we do this, it will be spawned. Oh, it's reloading. Stop the paparazzi, bro. I'm not even that rich, broski. You know what? This weapon is useless because it's just following me. Nothing to do. So we're at 2,000 money. So we almost got that afford. But we cannot afford that. Oh, almost got the 4. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Buy this up! What? So much money. It's getting increased money by 2 times cash upgrader. No, I don't like permanent because no, I don't like it because as it's getting old. I already see that for years. I stop spawning in my property. Boy, how can we afford the roof? I need the roof, not the wall. Oh shoot, my laptop is heating. Oh, it's not heating anymore. Wait, what is happening? Oh no, there's some furry guys. I hate those. That's dude. Bro. Oh, I hate those furries. Look. Oh no. You need. Dude, he's gonna spam kill me. Oh, stop! Stop going in my property! Tails, no! Don't, Tails, don't! You don't have any Robux to buy those spawns, bro. Oh, Look at those pants. Take off it. I can't see it. Let's go. What? It's just doing nothing. I'm going into. I'm the Flash. Bro. Oh, those Invincibles. Bro, dude. There's some adults playing here. It's so fun. Oh my god. Lighting stuff. What am I, Thor? Oh, oh, it's getting faster. Look. Yo, they're shooting at the base. Maybe they're shooting at my base. I wish I had the roof. Look at that cat. Look at that. He's killing properties. Stop going strangers' properties. He's just minding their own business. Stop it. We have more money than Elon Musk. Just joking. I don't have any money in this Roblox game. Lighting stuff. What is this? It's just mana. What is mana? Mana. Oh, maybe it's the lightning stroke. I will strike your base. Boom. So, yo, I don't like automatically torrent. And please I will sue this Roblox game because the owner of the game is begging from Roblox. I will sue this extra game plus. No, what is this? Permanent? No, bro, no. Don't want to pay something because I don't have enough. I don't have Robux. I only have 5 Robux. I just spend all of this for a easy outfit. Because my favorite rapper is Easy. Oh, bro! Rainbow! I don't want to spend that money because it's not permanent. Oh, it's permanent. Rainbow, what is that, dude? Ouch. Let's go! We had that money! What? It's not doing anything! This dude has... I will sue this guy for 1 billion Robux because it doesn't work. Look, it doesn't flow in here. I will sue this for Robux. I got some money, boys. It's back. Oh, I need... It's just full? 10,000! I don't want to spend that much money. Dude, it's not getting... Oh, it's getting so much money. Guys, follow me in Roblox because my phone is kinda laggy. So I'm going in my computer. And I could not beat those trollers, Obby. Always those guys. Nah, I don't want that. I'm noob at that. Bro. Let's Let's go. We need those second floor, you know. We need to complete this. Is to oh shoot! They're shooting in my property. I will shoot your property too if you do that to me. Let's go. We're gonna buy the second floor. Boom. What? I can't see. Looks like an arcade. Look. What I'm good. Oh, it's glowing. I'ma wait this for a minute. Okay, I'ma mute until the money hits in 10,000. Yo, stop shooting me! I'ma record! Bruh, that's okay guys, he's gonna spawn kill me. As for no reason. And he's gonna go to my property. At least I have my paparazzi and my sword. I'ma wait. Because those little guys, no, I will destroy his property. Look at this guy. He's stealing my items. You see? I hate those guys who literally gets my items. I just wanted my freaking items. And soon I will be in private server, right? Because so many people are robbing my items. Because I am rich. Let's go. Staircase by lights. Staircase and by lights. Let's go. Ouch. Oh, I'm wait. Maybe I will destroy your property. Stand by my arrival, worm. Boom. Boom. Hey, I don't have any range. Boom. What is this, Papa?